are waiting for our guarantee from the government that those doctors who are finishing their internship are going to get posts. So until we get that guarantee, the strike is going on. And we're also waiting on confirmation that our on-call allowances will be increased gradually. We want to move, they promised us that our on-call allowance will get to a minimum of $720 per month. But right now, since 2014, nothing has changed. And we're also demanding that they give us the duty-free facility for our doctors so that they can acquire their vehicles which they will be using to move from home to work.
Can you give us an update on what's happening at the major hospitals?
Most doctors did not attend for work today. They're waiting on the confirmation. But we hope we'll continue in consultations with our members, and we hope we'll get a solution to the problem very soon.
This is a nationwide strike.
Yes, it's a nationwide strike.
So if the government
if they don't respond, our membership have told us that they cannot go back to work until they get their post. They are guaranteed that they will get their jobs after internship.
The Health Ministry has pleaded with doctors to go to work because of the patients. What's your response to that?
As doctors, we continue to work. We have our patients at heart. But if we don't get posts for these doctors, it means the patients will continue to suffer. Hospitals will be understaffed. People will continue to die. So we need a solution to this problem now, rather than to wait until these doctors are jobless in 2 weeks. They will be jobless in 2 weeks if you don't fight now. So we need the government to give these doctors jobs so they can take care of the patients for many, many years to come.
How much does the lowest paid doctor get, salary-wise?
Our lowest paid is around the salary without the allowance is around $320.